welcome back to Cora Sue's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a Pottery Barn haul. So I'm kind of set up in my main area of the house because a lot of the items were too large for me to kind of hold up to the camera, and also some of them are already hung up. So I needed to do the video like this in order to show you guys. But last weekend, if you are new to the channel, I live very close to a Pottery Barn outlet. It is located in North Georgia. It is about an hour drive for me. All right, guys, sorry, I'm back. This little girl keeps barking. She just keeps barking. She's seeing things outside. But I totally feel like one day Pottery Barn should give me a sponsorship. Although none of these videos are sponsored, I truly have a passion for decor, decorating, and I have just kind of been drawn to their style and their items. The quality is great. Go to the outlet, the prices are phenomenal. So, thumbs up there. Let's get into the haul. So, last weekend, they were running an additional 60% off sale, which doesn't happen quite often, but when it does, you cannot miss it. You've got to make the drive, take the plunge, go there and see what I scored big time. To start off with, Pottery Barn had the chandelier that I have been eyeing for quite some time to go in this main room back here, which is the front door's right over here, and that's like the foyer area. And then this is like the main living space of the house. Now, we don't have a television back there, so it is more of a formal sitting area for when guests come over, or just if you're reading or kind of wanting to just kind of have quiet time. So the first item I got was the Pottery Barn chandelier. Okay, guys, here is the Pottery Barn chandelier. I am absolutely in love with it. I think it gives this space just that farmhouse, French country look that I'm going for. You can see my oldest son in the back. They are playing back there. Jeff is with the boys. We had to put our cushions, sorry about those. We had to put the cushions there because it's about to rain. But this chandelier retails is actually on the website now for about, I think, $410. I'll make sure to link it down below. But at the outlet mall, I paid $479 minus 60% off. So I barely paid $200 for it. And I think it just pairs really well with everything in the room. And it just adds that kind of finishing touch. And I'll see if I can kind of back up and show you guys to the space when you're coming into the house. And I just absolutely The second items that I got were these glass terrariums, and I'm gonna turn you guys around again and show you those. They are gorgeous. Now, I right now have just a couple little plants in them. I haven't decided what I want to go in them. I've seen a couple of Pinterest ideas where people put like the flameless candles and then put fairy lights in them. Let me know down below. Do you like the green plants in them, or should I do fairy lights with candles? So I'm gonna turn you guys around and show you those. Okay, so here are the terrariums. These in the store were $89, but 60% off. Great deal. Beautiful, beautiful pieces. And then I showed you guys this table. I haven't ironed it yet. That's why I was like, okay, this is a little sneak peek of the dining room. But I showed the table throw in my last haul video from, I think that was just a haul video of a bunch of different stores. But I absolutely love these terrariums. They are awesome. So I've got the greenery in them. Let me know, should I put candles and fairy lights? What do you like the best? Because I want to decide before I do my final dining room tour video. So I'm going to flip you guys back around. Okay, so this video is a little hard because I keep having to flip you guys around and flip you back because these items are larger items. But the next items I have are actually pieces that are going to go as part of my gallery wall, which if, again, you're returning subscriber or viewer, you'll know that I'm doing a gallery wall on this back wall here in the main area. So I finally found a couple pieces to mix in with some of the picture frames that I have, and I'm very excited. We're going to try to hang those later today. This is really, really heavy, but Pottery Barn sells these wooden pieces. It's quite large. I don't know if it has the total dimensions back here. And I don't actually, it says it's an art mural, but it is called it's spelled J-A-I-P-U-R, Japer, carved blocks. And I just felt like this mixed in with the raw wood picture frames that I have that kind of will tie in that gold piece that I have over my fireplace and go on this back wall, and it'll just be kind of like simple, but kind of still give that gallery wall farmhouse feel that I think just paired together will go really well. So we're gonna try to hang these today, but I got 2 of these. I didn't wanna hold up both of them. And they've got all different kinds of hangers, so you can hang them any way you want. Like there's hangers this way to hang it that way, or you can hang it long ways. So I'm just gonna kind of see how it goes with the picture frames that I have. It is very heavy. It is probably about 15 or 20 pounds. It is not light at all. Maybe not that heavy, but it feels really, really heavy to me. So I'm very excited to get these on the wall. This retailed at the outlet mall for $120, but 60% off, which to me, a piece this heavy at Hobby Lobby would probably cost about the same. So great quality, great piece. Those are the 2 items. Now I'm gonna flip you guys around and I'm gonna show you the last item. I actually replaced some artwork that I had in my kitchen area on the eating side of it, like where my table is. I found this huge succulent wall at Pottery Barn, and this retailed for $300, and then it was 60% off. So it is a really gorgeous piece. I think the fact that that room back there in my keeping area, in my kitchen area, has so many windows that hanging it back there kind of makes it appear like it is real, although it is not real, but it looks really pretty to me. I haven't decided whether to put anything around it. We still haven't painted that room or decided exactly the direction for everything to go in there. So I wanted to finish up this main area of the house before I tried to focus on anything else. And I've got tons and tons to do around here because we have only lived here about 1.5 years. So I'm gonna flip you guys around and show you the succulent wall. All right, so this is the succulent wall. Kind of step back from it. I used to have some gold plated like feathers that hung on this back wall, and they were just kind of getting boring to me. I just didn't like it. I wanted something with a little more texture, a little more pop, and I totally think that this succulent gives this space that feel. And I'm sorry, I just shook the camera. I'm still learning how to film and do all those types of things. Okay guys, that is my Pottery Barn haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The succulent wall was one of the best finds that I found as far as artwork goes at the outlet. I've never seen that piece there before. So I hope you guys know that I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you love decorating, decor, and Pottery Barn, farmhouse, French country, vintage, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe, click that red button. I would love to have you, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I am very grateful. I'm at 308 subscribers now. As soon as I hit 500, I've got a giveaway. I wonder if you can guess what that giveaway is gonna be. Maybe from my favorite place, maybe not, I don't know. Hit that red subscribe button and click the notification bell. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Much love always, bye.
Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder